Convection microwaves combine conventional microwave technology with an extra heating element and fan, allowing you to bake, roast and crisp food along with general quick reheating. A convection microwave can double as another oven or even serve as the main oven in small spaces like RVs. Some of us may wonder, what is a convection microwave oven? Yeah, it cooks or heats up food, we all know that. But there is a significant difference between a convection microwave oven versus a microwave oven, which we commonly use. This article will hence give you an insight into what is so special about the convection microwave oven, including the pros and cons, particularly safety precautions you must take when using this common, modern-day cooker. The pros generally revolve around the fact that your oven is now a dual-function cooker. Not only does it heat up or cook food quickly and thoroughly without hot spots, it also allows you to perfectly bake cookies, muffins, and cupcakes. Users of the convection microwave oven are now able to cook a larger variety of food in a variety of ways, be it defrosting, heating up food, grilling, or even roasting, and attain their customized, desired result. Money is saved since one can do the work of two for the cost of one. Space is also saved since you now don't need space for a microwave oven and a convection oven. The cons of a convection microwave oven are very similar to that of a microwave oven. For example, for most microwave ovens, only one dish can be cooked at a time. So while food can be cooked at a faster rate, one may take a longer time to prepare food compared to another who could be cooked several dishes simultaneously over the stove. Also, the typical convection microwave oven has a limited size, thereby restricting the size of food to be cooked. For example, a large turkey may not be able to fit into a convection microwave oven.